Hey, this is a Google Slides presentation, animal battles. Cast your votes in the comments. No, this is not a tournament, this is just individual battles, and I just want your opinion on who you think would win. First battle, Bengal tiger versus polar bear. African lion versus jaguar. Grizzly bear versus Indian gar. Domestic guinea fowl versus mute swan. Peacock versus ring-necked pheasant. Gaboon viper versus black mamba. Mountain lion versus green anaconda. Black caiman versus Chinese alligator. American alligator versus Siamese crocodile. Saltwater crocodile versus Nile crocodile. Maned wolf versus African civet. Leopard versus orangutan. Gorilla versus giant eland. Bongo versus Nyala. Giant rainforest mantis versus emperor scorpion. Goliath bird eater tarantula versus bearded dragon. Komodo dragon versus scrub python. Nile monitor versus Argentine black and white tegu. Great barracuda versus giant moray eel. Asiatic lion versus Asiatic black bear. Cheetah versus ocelot. American crocodile versus Burmese python. Malay rooster versus mallard duck. Australian magpie versus common raven. Okay, so secretary bird versus king cobra. Warthog versus babirusa. Bald eagle versus red-tailed hawk. Osprey versus battler eagle. Peregrine falcon versus harpy eagle. Bearded vulture versus cinereous vulture. Great horned owl versus great gray owl. Serval versus Fusa. And that's it. So cast your votes in the comments. I would love to hear them. Remember, the votes and your winners, okay, will be your opinion. Bye.